Right, and then the 20th day in the month of July 2020. Nyamiadom, or the Ache, Yatrase, one fine chair say a delicacra, Sinupumre, and our song, Aseda, Enko, Enfa, Mamohis, Herbal Center, Gosway Casket, and our face with Jonat Herbal Clinic, so more as the day. Omre ibitimi enyamrena yedi enkomoko Western Regional since I'm here for boycott to NPP programs Nina and say Honorable Catherine Ablemafeku, Member of Parliament at the Evaluate Moruja constituency and the Minister of State at the presidency and the bodyguard Akobo Central for Binyamre na yetumi edi ho enkomo the first batch of the free senior high school students and then adisuafo no omo ahye the wasi exams no ase visual arts na me adom on the 3rd of August and the general students no and as core subjects no omo ebe share enti ene wasi no atumi ase the COVID-19 yare no guso a enyankrofo but the good news they say ene eniama atumi aba from and then the NDC amanyuko no ase complaining about the conduct of the Electoral Commission and that of the NPP. Almost say in Ashanti region, senior high schools are already registered. Now, for a man's will be schools no able to say Prempeh College and our face no Tepa senior high school. I'm on call for coin. I'm on one call. Me no can say oko baby. It is kaswa na say wutu breku. How baby a senior brokra the abo ni ma Electoral Commission adwumayfo no dodo no ano adwane e dey free baby a na omo adwuma no nyina ne say etuo akasa amenipa prepare ama nei information about ne say motorcycles awodo a belonging to the NDC allegedly they say before the and I said ya de ija atumi atomomde sobo no de ebo maame hawa kumsin ewo ewutu senya East constituency benyamre na ye di nkomo the happenings of the phase 4 of the Electoral Commission new voter register. And then the first batch of the SHS, and so here, Ashasi, free senior school, so much as here, and the other matters are Koso, my Ghana. We are live on Facebook, Kumaru TV, on YouTube, Sam Dakus TV, and then on Kumaru TV, no, you're transmitted live from Atenga Junction. You check Homra, you're back. My guest, actually, I said, now for you to me about your views, your thoughts, your comment on 0543 596 070. Drop them na ibinyamre akenkan ede amount. Yentwe amra sisia. Yes, I'm a Bushan Fakaba, Evan Sinupi on Kumawood TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comment, Fabra, Inyamre, into me and Kinkai, and Fa, and Mao. And they, senior high schools, final year students, Nada Wakufado graduates, and then, Omo Eshe, Omo Soveno Asia, visuals, and Omo Ede Ashas, and so far, across the country, Ashanti region, and Babia. Mofano doso pa, but then surprisingly, as a man doso, memano, from Accra. But in total, a mile more trails of your facet for a man on the number of trails of there. With a man on use this year. 188,163, 188,163, and then a member a year 187,574 into Udibumwa 375,737 375,737 and a mofra omo share wasi so no asina fi omo atimi area school mofra ya to din and other Wakufado graduate or free SHS first batch no His Excellency the President of the Republic, Minister for Education, the Deputy, a good message, and I'm a fan. I said, transfer of na Emma a binary monte, indeed, visitors no, and Faso Abaso, we know the running mates to the opposition, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, Jane Nana Upoku Ajman, and then His Excellency, the former president himself, John Dramani Mahama, I'm Mofrano, so, say Yari or what year, but under this situation, they wish them the best of luck, say, what you know, Nankun de into me, Ebra, and then go around, so you could see, say, yes, the students are poised to write the exams, starting with visual actor, let me, I shall say, and then home not yet to me, Eddie, and also, essay, and then the other issues, so I wore and the so some of them fee, and this when you could run more can say, under the leadership of John Dramani Mahama, the second term, Nadia said, Ghana, hire you, bedroom view. Or say, we are doing not good at the night, could be a funny foot, kindness will become, any promiser, NDC at the bar. Name, Oko, Wutu, Senior Easter, Nyabro, take Masipa, our electoral office, Pasabia Paswa, and also some His Excellency, the President of the Republic. He went on 14 days mandatory quarantine, all because one name would be a work of it 19. Enya and Kitamudi, and I say, the close relative, I know Enya Kitamudi, when you already be. One penny for ya, Enra, and a so yeah. Thanks be to God, said His Excellency has started work fully from the Jubilee House, the Oye Eduma this week. His Excellency, if you want to know, the answer is how to me at was Eddie. The good news also coming from the Senior Minister's office, Ura Yawasafmafo, so they say, tested positive for the virus. The next test, was tested negative, and we see a good news coming from that angle. And then the Ghana Health Service, the Abba, say, you probably occupy and they say, you said the name and so protocols, no, and you do so there, as it stands now, COVID-19, you know. A beba from Pa, and as he said, yeah, no, and course, we have the active cases in Ghana, 4,270 confirmed cases are Yenyan money now, so there 27,667 with death toll of 148, an increase of about 9 to 10 over the weekend there 139 is 148, and I have your more tall. Recoveries 23,249 and one you already come so you are dumb at me at all. Of attack the Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC Senior Communication Team member, of course. Our studios. Yeah, we have a good year. And what fit near come up? Why effect? I have a power. You facing also amount for sure. To pass to the son and said, Master, yeah, station and maybe cut out. Sure. And then more ones, so we are just up to go. We are for a cry. There's a nearby yakka. Oh, sir, man, so one said, young open set, O Kobe be a hot true. And your man, yellow, and keep you for credit to send your money. Ghana yet troca. Now that was sell mine. Now, so among memory and friend to Tuka, and a seven progress or train woman now. Seven progress, ye Nina Nanadu Mamuso. And yes, I didn't 770 a bank give a bonnet and yet Yapa. What I had yet more than I see. But somehow, I am sorry, as soon as constituency communication officer, regional communication team member, NPP, said. Tababa. That's right. Adam Dawson. Experience in my one secretary. I will say you. In this part of the Chief. And the one of farm as a chief and the farm. Baba Isa. One farm, and I chief the farm. Personal assistant, and you will now file personal assistant. You are going to see him. or one. Who's a MC seat no as was.
The number can sit in the said Nipa family, a Juma I was saying Nipa agent. And no one near the election here. So, Mike, you are two studio. For the first time since he created a Swans constituency, this year, the bear record.
As one said, people mean order.
A free set by us once MPP winning.
Oh, sir.
They ask for Eastern
and an
MPP, a tears once proper. Okay, we need it, but inshallah, this year there will be a record.
I mean, that's how we teach you. You're more from 375,737. And our marshal was Nasi. Just say, and then the bishop from one trade. The number of phone, but we know, say, what's Nasa said in there. On penny that damn hammer. And then the running mate and professor or more I wish Colana well. And then they said silence to the president and so and then a pump so I wish Colana well. One monitor as I was national share and Colana complains no has been what? I spoke with one of the students as soon as I and said the practical is not trained no a year wearing the nose mask no and a year bit tedious and cry and the MO. Minty.
So my Yencha Kuma would have a phone in our I said of Atakan, the beginning of the city, would do so now. What you have more can I be immediate so near that was so much different. What's maybe school? The headmaster Samba called Passion and told me to must say, self falling out of BEC. Like you must see an Yawton. But SSC and now what's self falling out. Sometimes, yeah, a Jumasian. And the Yawton, I am not better to say, one of the exams is shaping Nipa, so over for academic ladder this one of the exams is shape you life. Was because OBSS, that's a way you are a Yawton. So over Kakusia, and human. And that's one transfer to me and found going. Nothing about a friend be no more friend that you know deck.
Okay.
Only I said, I fear one register crowd, only why for the timetable every. And see, a bassa, a man, this exam's now from a chrono, a very critical in their life. A bassa, a critical, Nana, I was set a more frown on your mining. Dear, I'll say a year, yet the boom of frown. Emma almost me trace I'm so true you. Yet the wow. One, a buy family dear, I also a because the number of the man, the number I was sure against previous numbers are not a walk.
That is the information that I was trying to search, but I couldn't. I say I swat to be 15,000. You can check it. Okay. Check it. Last exams are almost sure. No more. They were 336. Okay. 336 as compared to 375. Now we know air increase because of the introduction of the free senior high school. Nipa be brave school. And I buy a year na family dear be brave at the one front. Who says here if you go to Nigeria, Nigeria no yes was, but because of COVID, but they back it down say or say government was proactive. And we said exams say I'm afraid to let you say that maybe I'm out here. Now I ask me timetable about your metro. What would you do? COVID has come to stay. Dear bed ya one of in this COVID era, when their exams or more exams and should have I can as good government and as good president with an able education minister and our ministry now. But more to abide for. See how far to say more now of frown and go school. A brass on much mention. They also abide the woman past questions, textbooks, school fees, registration fee in the history of this country. I'm afraid mutual exams. Only one of the fortunate batch of students in this country. Okay. Because from SS1, ABC, SS3, I did on the course with your provision. I did on the course with your provision. Even mattress. Even mattress before COVID, government was providing them with mattresses and beds. Okay. Now you change the entire furniture of every secondary school in this country. Into a procure beds, new mattresses are there. And even past questions
Obia over school here in this country craving for so this government provided for these kids. It is how afraid only be yes sir they honor themselves one and honor the president for the things that he has done for them. So like I should say one because of you having been mobile out in 3 years free senior high school by my brain. In 3 years now, Sanko school say, "Oh, Sanko control no one trying here." Now, but next year, you have wasted those years.
The results of ever contain it will effect be. Mamu so ana.
So like me personally, me Jenny said the results I'm afraid at the Babon in the Benya effect is just so away I'm so. But a better say about a better training in going forward. If there is a change, and I say, can be a horse here, the educational sector and the educational system in fashion. As someone who is into education, when you tie education to government, it's very difficult. Because when you're working, and then you have rounds, no mask as or be raised. Oh, 1 secondary school now. Jokingly, you'll be saying, "Ade or so, who be so be some cry on it." What I say? It's only challenge with the nose mask and all.
You very cheating this time.
You get the point. It's a group here. It is the Ejinam of Frano so realize said they are not doing for anybody. It's educational matter. So my educational matter, when I'm talking about education, I'm a little emotional. Because education said you're the man yourself fra. Yeah, here we would get it from.
But I'm also friend on so many occasions, and I'm making statements. My friend is free senior high school. I'm about Jack Akufo say because someone is free certificate.
Yes, my friend, they was so better about.
Okay, but I'm about that more delays. I'm about Jack Akufo say. So it means that the outcome of the results.
Yes, my friend, better about. They was so to. What means show? We said about opportunity.
Sure.
Was so to about on the right to decide. So ofili say oh say my kai we am nti o say me dana say e wo mo friend ho I don't believe say adwuma aban ya no de e be gina e mo friend nko aso ana say secondary school for nko aso na be decide say ku for beto aso ana on to aso na to aso na o to aso next year enyina mo friend so de obeto abama na because say ofili so free senior high school am coming go school ana say committee fee enti dia na do aya ma me da o se me danas me dia abato danas o mo ho beto obi wo ho a se mai obi wo ho na me ni obi di ko aka chense ewia se obi wo ho na dia o chiri en ni fi ade a o chiri en ko ko bi su fi ade o chiri en isi enti o tin ga so ma free senior high school enti we ne dan a o beto am
ena fa this moment
enti mo fra no ye besre wo all other things put together die enmonyam obi di beji echiwa obi di bebo obi no but on no abofra na ultra exams on function it you say on show obi ani munyam o show no any na busua ani munyam so we no ho ultra
but on records his excellency Harvard Senior High School e make the point blank say mon chance of no musua the chance of no pass na omo time free exercise no me critics no omo ni emu. So I asked the question again. So will the outcome of their exams have effects on their government?
The outcome of their results will have effects on our educational sector. The outcome of their results a bigger effect on our educational sector.
Either negative or positive.
Either negative or positive.
But
me say my papa.
I don't find out to know that free teachers no person for the trouble.
Ubenya obia obeka cho se free senior school mo fra na twa nti aban na ya de mo nsema ubenya obi so believe say mo fra na twa akala ko school no opase ai se point akala na ya de ofeli a teacher ni abon ana cha phone charge ubenya obi obeka ba me de as someone who is into education I believe say mo fra no e wa sudie e ma omo ankasa ho dan the government
I don't know ya mo fra no over 370,000 and my sense of nation, I'm not sure.
Medasi, Opani Manufa Kwanya, Minchia, Minko, or some contancy. Mimi then, I remember me penny. you see no yeah you nena ebu akonta nti
ma free
yeah was that COVID-19 obe free will be say omre we year na me say the problem 10 million 100 million you know say numbers and they see the year nti mamko offense na can say district commander of police offense okay me na say nyema ngoni ye mi sita panyin ni kunu na enmunyam o be share ye wa contacts e ya de bi say ye ni asopa oni ni team na me papa no contacts e ye kwaku abonema ene champon ma ni ye papa no ampofu da mama se na me nko camp me nsama na no hwe me da wo camp osikuma wood de wo hwe pa ye wasa asem na make nko madam nko frami no Malam yechiao ya mamoni yo cause kuma udie not a single programmer okay to kwa otimi kan 1 2 3 what kan VB's action say program we na nti malam yechiao na machiao wife na machia hakim mbake to ane nya meyere ha ye finish Salifa nso mu nyina 80 minia yeda nyakopon ase na ya maye kwada yinsu moni yo ni tinko se nyamia ya dumna enfie miensa eda wo manimu wo matimi akọ free SHS no na enne de chro sara enso yun na yeda wayek enso asipa se omama yakunu na dunia pipim to a utwa ye de kire Ghana fo se free SHS ne ba ye na school no enrollment akọs no protocol se nya no kure bia nim Tama na free SHS MIA no na enkwala na ewie SJHS na womunya access to SS no kra no na wosoro se ne enne na akufo ado pensu enti so obia gina be ya me pa cho sa wo hwe ye bi ti se bia 2014 e be ko pen 2017 omo mu wie 2014 wo JHS no na omo ye
ya kan SHS
JHS TM argument TM argument na me here so when you have to TM atiase omo we school that year no na here 422,946 okay ana omo nya access to SS we 289,220 omo nya mafa say increase about 5.44%.
What's your JHS number?
JHS number no 4 me see 2014 to 2016 no almost say the me for say 4 years no what SS1 SS2 SS3 na the next you know exams on year 422,000 year 2014 2016 you know and to omo exams ne buy omo nya access to SHS at that time na free SHS na 208,207
as over 100,000 and go school
me to was here okay I know I hear you as a year 2015 to 2018 omo we SJHS no omo here 438,030 okay omo mutimi call school no here 316,999
okay
increments of 9.61%
okay
omo 2016 to 2019 because 2016 na man free settlement omo we school no here 460,929
okay
omo mutimi call school here 346,098
okay
increments of call SS oh me
what's 20
and what is
2019
thank you
2016 to
2019 there's a last year
last year just some American last year you know and this year be movie so this year for the 2017 and Nakufo Adwaba I been introduce free SHS at that time 2017 MBAS JHS no year 468,000
okay
053 10 pa 468,053
okay
and then me no can say one timi any access to SS or more exams no 30 313,000. 313,000.
No figures, no.
Oh, me say yeah, yes, starting to the actual.
Okay.
We are 863.
Okay.
So we share increments now. And if we JHS, na Canada at that time no me 400 and something. I won't ain't me access to SS about 32,000 and quadra. O want me on SS ni bi. Do when you access
point of correction. From the WAEC website no. I'm afraid I'm okay. So we school this year. 375,737. But you are giving us 313,000. Okay, about 16,000 go.
Until I make a choice, MPP cook figures now. We are talking about parliamentary hazard. Report to education minister they are to parliament.
Figures not.
Okay. Until I make a choice, MPP need to make MIF. Not IMF. Na you be come to na figure no be kwa no enye jenu me ma parliament to no go cancer fufuro it make up parliamentary answer go dey to parliament anima and Clement Apart ya abaka amo be kan you not a senior minister and now information minister ka ya no react no want me every react to this and
ma memwa minister me nyina djuma nyama no beba they tell say mo ma JHS we have access to SHS.
Thank you.
But I'm going to be one so. No more real school to fear. Among that year JHS for bus, no, but not to fear. Almost when you have access to the SHS. It is our number. You know, private a year. Almost treasures maybe. And only a man, why website and I got down 370. And yet, I buy free SHS in the figure. And yet, I buy a scassa, yet, I buy free SHS. That's what more try 313. And yet, from free SHS. But all a young record straight. Because they were performing who are supposed to near high or Chobi or free SHS. You will perform your more one copy that watch rock. It's why or the number to website say Ghana for to do a say na but we are talking about all real school now by say and come make this SHS and they buy you know it was an increase to this number of people are but and yes sir and it's here because sir or can about here or parliament I want to be fast out of figure no parliament what to me first how wrong figure no and parliament until now no certainty yes set record in straight just me you know next thing na me no can be me say akore bia body paper pen ebesi paper so atwo bia obepass exactly
o me ogidie pa
amen
na me ku for catch them kola say mon touch no so no pass you na enhye mu ye enemies and you so better of the catches and my top pass co at the amount kwala no effort and the kwanya mo person mo faso na kwani twa said you okay you want this in you the one people in you apart from that in the munyam said the Ghana because essence we are statistics neighbor West Africa country our yard here or born mo ba ni neighbor and munyam ne ba e be ka Ghana for but the year can say enye no kreda say free SHS ba ye no and a big increase in enrollment. Said you're not MPP for Nakan because 2016 background, and I even say, I'm going to DSS no, or one to call SS no crowd also saying the about 2016. And Sana, after when you be your previous green lights, bread, go, brew, wake up, probability some Palano put it to me entire and then. Yet, Chumwa, the great metro, I just over to the feeling how to go you. I just saw what I said, but what did they return? Because say a continuous idea and care massa, and Tina Joma make a check on a winner. I said, some Palaria movies SHS, junior secondary school year, or JHS now went to me uncle, almost a Ghana for. Until under 2021 to 2024, and this is what power. Some plan pia wana this one go person okosua adwuma ano ko person okoye carpenter okoye mason e kani nyina state ni be fa and NGC
one because around they have been left to rot
That's it. But the amount of the Ghana. Wow. I don't want to. Yes, I went to me and trap. All the process and our 7 purpose are 1 year. Went to me, uncle. And what should I say 1 year more was near Juma? It went to me under JDM, no, under JDM, no, collect Pia went to me and enter SS. Provide they say SS 1 equally free, no. Sapana so could swear to my Pia was nearly free. Oh, wow. I be near my SS 4 a deal. I could be any top money. They be a record to be at the top money or minor yet NDC are buying about 2021 for the period of 3 years. For the period of 3 years, no business when we are near what the Bay Juma, so for your hairdresser, a dry eye shimon, pins in our hair turn, curtains night, meaning now Bay State, and so Eka. So Becca, I be done yes, I think 2012, 2014, 2015. So Becca never be elected. Okay. And to my phone now, you didn't call a master or didn't hear you. We are near to Tom Macadie, near the Amano, no, the Suya, no, the Yason. And also because only and I will manage a padilla. You won't grab you a while, 73 any one. But what shot me this one, a war. Next to Piazza de Yakano, while I'm soon be near identity, not because of one SHS in near Jan. So we can now do administration of SHS and that. Let the cassette, you want a basso. Because you should do me dear Papa Biase, you will be back to us or as and Papa. Yen, yes, share free SHS and progressive free SHS and this in a SAS here. Now, to buy 1 major to walk, or also back to our progressive Nasibi, and then at me a good trail. So, Becca was starting SS1, now to buy 1 SS1, SS2, SS3 at once. Or chassis free SS1 2017. 2018 was the SS2 for a car, and 2019 was the SS3 for a car, and then we can say almost every. And today I can't tell only say, a woman in now. No one question because we have the 19 by you. Me, I don't call any echo room, a baby or what, a discount cramway at any man. Because Sake UST, SHS, a prayer who ya. Come say, enough for a ban. Trauma on coal, or crowd trouble because when you nip up. And he met your demo money. Near catch on say, okay, more money now, no one sure, then couldn't be right. Also from a Dutch. Right, we say my friend, the best of luck, more traders, no net, and a machas, visual students, and the machas here. When you know, na Enkundino Emra, a bar, said the Fatana set a Baba Busuya, no one cassa. And sana a sumbo bruano or minus so at a freight. Mamma Sika to treat you a bomb and your father. Said, but the MDC seems to have a good policy for those a bit from say either say command pass on exams and also be a school dropout. One chat BC no. I don't have opportunity, some opportunity to check everyone saying check quality anymore now because of disability. I mean, some of friendly now. I'm not told you free, or some issue at the Pamlet in the call. Because I believe mechanic near the call. Now you're feeding on as they feed those are more secondary schools now. We are near some materials or the Bay of Japan. I think this is fantastic.
So, right. Last time, now Deputy Minister of Education on one program, I said, good evening, Ghana. Okay. On the key point, sir, the ex-president should get people to take him through the education system now. They're okay, technical and vocational education, TVET. TVET is in the system which is operating a part of the free senior high school policy. Okay, so tell me, be frank with me and my viewers. Yes. So I'm a friend of every school in 2017, 2018, and then 2019 academic year. I will have and she said 99999. So I'm a friend of TVET. So right. And that's what I wanted to feel. Senior high school policy be bad. Tell you we be SS now we're in car. Your mouth another option now option. So see how you be see. That's a way in ya. On say or call, more call, or more call, no more other subject. Or call so you're 9 or back one. You don't qualify for placement in senior high school. Sure. And your mouth chance, the government gives you chance. Better it. Now young folks say, oh, pay way no. Tibet is part. Yan say a separate idea. Let's understand what we say. I buy no yes, and my question is
I'm from real school, or any opportunity to be at SHS. Some of us we speak. About the motivate
the opposite. This is any compulsory law at backing to say going to school. What I said, the opposite or TVET or technical vocational education other than normal secondary education. One of those. Young person, you best segregate here. I feel who said to say polytechnic. Who said go to a time now we call polytechnic. Now you are enabling her to say polytechnic. As a you share with we don't want to segregate TVET, no. Now, if even some secondary school, technical vocational secondary schools, sir, they teach
okay, more than different than more than Asafunia.
Now, because of politics in tea, or struggle to answer your question. We'll be a TVET, and so soon yet that TVET me. And will be a hairdresser and so soon them.
Elfie.
And so soon them. Professional in your but that's almost the crop. Now so assessment to the omo year. When you hear what you are suffer, and I want to to our stadium. And to us sorry I know about stadium, I bet the master wa I bet you no coffee. Tibet in the body near dinner ewu. Now maminya SCCB. Me so you aware. Receipts. And yes, we SHS and they receipt about you. Well, yeah, we teaching you and respect, protect your integrity and the profession. Receipt and you're not as a minister of education and introduce you receipt say. So we'll be back, we'll be control at the BEC, you know, that's going to me and transfer back questions. You must have a plan to say the demand of the again of the no sound receipt. And yes, we SHS and introduce you receipt. And I told me, no, TVET in the other as at now, and Koran practicals and the claim and one and chia. And I told Mama say, from SS1 to TVET, from state 1 copying polytechnic, university, technical university, and the NDC with you, and they free, and they free. Never know, so you are wet and you're free. And he said, "Oh, he said, yeah, come on, almost as you knew Sampa, or making you into much as here, nearby a baby year. And she also yet that the who sound or this trust rather, and so she had them, and the young police, and they break down for them.
Right, ever said that Emphama do not have a clinic. Doctor say, if you are now a war and a wife, Yama, or if you are one of Emma. And I said, oh, Bemano, oh, sorry, more about so Bemem. To you to go around feel about also have them and we through and a doctor said, no stroke and I wish you be academic or how any money and a OT. And I say, hey, dear, now also a low sperm count, no feeling for sex, hepatitis, Nina, and a how a drug or do not have a clinic, anything ahead. Now, more at the Ama, here, little Faka, about masses and task of freedom, quantus or was quantus and a doctor and a pound for a while. Nippon pay for my hair or Mumudi dance here to and more power war, Mosaka and Mano and Yago. Over free, to free, now free to me. I was 020 1999 955 020 1999 955 and I 0244 874341 0244 874341 friend. Now do not have a clinic. Yeah, so now you know it's me and one. Now, young watch video be Western region, the evaluate at Moja constituency, and I see Metro TV reporter Miami Penny Alhaji ear coverage. I mean the Western region. I'm boycott NPP programs are because Western region, especially in the evaluate at Moja constituency. And Honorable Catherine Ablema Afiku, former Minister for Tourism, Creative Art and Culture, and Afi name or the presidency, and award. GTA Western Agency, the bodyguard here, Metro TV cameraman, chain bone, pass SS at the cameras now, or money anyone, Tini, or money on Ebetia. Well, we said Alaji response of the Maya, I already have Maya Alaji response. Na Western Region DG Edema, the Honorable Minister of State Yemfimra.
In summer, Katrina Foko Kadina Engine FM Akanihia Yakuisam. We send the Abra police senior officer Kadam for Cameron from one of the police officers in a on your Abra court watna in the court in tonight or outside. I'm Marampo court inside of Mankoa movie as some camp. Or G come the camera police and son a court sit and son magistrate or court them war. Inti so asida or evidence on famra. I'm meeting him how me majuma. So court sit and the light to see magistrate name or Yaku sama. So evidence on famra. Not all those police for to me. Ina midilite inyamono kamarando in haya kuhisam police funa waji kamaran oho we evidence time of the kamaran mohon ansana over start courting ina ekona for the deleting amehumpo minyim time delete na baka cha me the police chira me na midilite aden maximum delete aden pay mo tidam edda kuhisam Minister of State edda kuhisam mo FM do egwa manyima ase in sama Katrina Foko Kadina Engine FM Akanihia Yakuisam. We send the Abra police senior officer Kadam for Cameron from one of the police officers in a on your Abra court watna in the court in tonight or outside. I'm Marampo court inside of Mankoa movie as some camp. Or G come the Cameron police and son a court sit and son magistrate or court them war. Inti so asida or evidence on famra. I'm meeting him.
Right. Inti we Western region the happenings Metro TV cameraman Hadia enka abakazo DOP ono and motive response on the Alhaji Mustafa and but honorable Captain Rafa Kuso akasa say David and then no credit bibi sa ngoso na ebi ne ngoso kura no na odifo Name say the camera and I did or no bodyguard no more. Just a contumpo same be never see Charlie Thomas my sanity or Western region. Well, Hong Kong, I more than say a call now your name for easy but former Western region, so I couldn't come up with say exactly and then no many by some say I boycott to MVP programs are Western region. It will be essential for this time. How many years I will because some years are most of the moon, there was some Mosaka. Because anyone most money, believe in me, you understand what? It's the more you understand more.
So you can say, Mamma, yes, I do a bit. I feel over because I remember me MPP, me and this, a MPP for an alcohol sans and true. Until I could do a catch MPP for some own yes, sir. I know MPP, your own mantra. Who can I or boy? Adumi, or couple no catches on your cousin Katia, General Moon journalist who say will be a ton Katia would do. That's what bit on Katia would do prior. MPP headquarters. We not see police officer Nanka Bruce. I was flat staff house. And he said, will be a Minister of State in our free flat staff house. Upper Western region and the way over. That's the MPP intimidation. Or would you continue to I'm a moment journalist. I'm a swallow. Up to now, I'm buying it. And before, I'm going to go. Yes.
No, please.
And Priscilla. No. And national life by about so we are journalists.
I and my team, you need evidence.
And to me, I'm the evidence. MPP before.
If you have any evidence, please give it to the CIA.
But
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You sound from him. Let me see MPP before. And you come on the Swally. I don't salary. Me see MPP before. I can get Japan. I don't know. We are not on TV because you know you are a picture of 10 years. But you actually be a home and can be a bad. I get you a put me whatever. I know you so says in Calabria. I get you a pony panel. Now, what you want to say? Two bloody days of it. You're 3 reports to be said. Threat of death. Any water. And say, I get a cosso. Nakata soon, we are so one person. And then I could do some pencil. Who does I mention arrest here. Some for what me have control.
Mame kwa manasomra. Mame ko evaluate Ajomoro Jura constituency. Na mene Eric Jim research officer ma MVP ewe Baloja. Je ko tun kan e mo be ni
Good evening, Anadu Marco.
bibi awo ko le.
Oh, Nyago Pandalma, and then Anadu Marco. Yaposa, we have a time.
Na ko ba se na aferi asentre fo na ke ni se mo opposition. Mo mo ko na kana. Mo ba ko ma ya se tete mo fa wo ni su.
Anadu Marco Pacha Katisu Wana, Olano, Papa, Metroa.
Na bi so se e ko ba de se na asentre fo a ni se na ka mo ko na kana in opposition. Na ne ya me ma do mo ba ban mu. Mo sa se tete na ko fa wo ni su Western region.
Anadu Marco, I'm far from Yanaman, Chiama, chef, but if you can be Asabla office and I'm a intention for photo dinner, some issue number one.
Sure.
Hello?
Jim, and Metro TV.
Okay.
Come on, issue.
Yo, me that baby, na Marco. I say, you know, it me a careful, I will fire your fast one. The thing, it say, you better say, okay. A profession. And you want the ethics. And I was say, individual now, or woman, or not so matter ethics, you know, a guide, you know, I want the daily activities. A baby, a empty, you know, and only opinion case. And Omode Assembly court. In the Assembly court, one a done of Mubu Assembly or Korea Assembly the other day. And your best years, number in fact, that's no matter baby at a year. Media. Court proceeded in the court and the bodyguard is not a police. I'm not married bodyguard. They will be a pigeon on this day. Or the police him up. Journalist, I did phone action name what's wrong. What proceeding? Oh, agree. Oh, it's wrong.
Online, your tears is always journalist, not the phone and sound what you and I will record the proceedings.
That is it. And
our courtroom hall. Our courtroom hall.
But all court.
Oh, but Jim, so one of my address, the issue that comes was sit in the camera and get the phone.
Yeah, I'm talking about camera.
Okay. Indeed,
yeah.
Camera.
But now, one say, you mama amount for HCS. I found out where you be done. We have to seek the permission from the court. Now, to keep permission, we are verbal or what, you know. All the stakeholders involved should be on the loan. That is one thing we all should know. Senka stakeholders are on the loan and can draw court police attention. When you sure Senka court police are wrong. And he as a professional policeman who is doubling as a bodyguard for the Minister for State. And or draw police attention. And a police confront in a professional way. And I'm a call at Dream Police Station. That ends it. Program no more court issues in Milano. So a movie BBM in the by my will be a coy. Adechia, yes, GJ, as will be render apology. Adechia Chibiwa, yes, the photojournalist say, render apology. Let me turn and say, now even going to take a young school. Now you're just don't quite you, you be both sides. I tell you, Na sa wo ye GJ. Na sa wo nkofo so wo ye Ghana for. Ye no omunyina na go school. Ye no omunyina na didi o the same market, the same shop. What is a maybe chantro na me a politician me chantro. O journalist is a bit to be chantro ana me boa.
Okay.
And it's our own association to fight for them. You should also have a fair hearing on the other part of the case, you know. And yes, say, you give of the body. You have something will be the bodyguard who is a policeman, send him the Juma. And she said, or render apology. It's just a matter of reporting to the police. Harriet.
Okay, but Jim, are you saying that now we'll check the court inside? Because I've spoken to about 3 journalists now almost not we'll check from the outside the court. Not
outside of the Mepacho Pisani say, the college police, you know. I don't know, and the college journalists, you know. I don't know, maybe a yank, you know. The colleague now no kahono. Only they were there doing now you're invisible until a young woman is on the outside in Tinian.
Indeed, court they take action. And answer a minister's bodyguard they take action.
And I just say, no minister bodyguard no. He only drew the attention to
okay.
Of the police now, yet taking the court work.
Okay. Now, for the sake of my time, now IGP is was shown, regional police command is was shown, and then we have Federation of African Journalists. I'm also asking more interest to asking more. Photojournalists are more Western regions, or more biographical programs. Will it have any effect on your activities as a party?
Nane. When a crown, I say we see that we will say you will be here as a photojournalist because daily guide. Omubana say omuba cover me program. Daily guide my inviting on Ameboa. Yeah, they are not in China. We are professional. We saw what people can have a program in Chino. On your Juma because Obi. I mistake. I will Nipa Chino who solidarize with that person against Nipa now also no air victim. And then I am all right. We cannot ask them to rescind that decision. You understand? I am all right. Let me have a see a car idea. Let us only send me pictures for let us only that. Let me picture you go try Mama Maya see me. Okay. You didn't come out for any farm which you are. So me go to go.
Okay.
What say? Uncle my program. So what is here? Professional journalist. Professional photographer.
Okay.
But you met her on the say. And what? That's the way no create problem. They have a way they can solve this issue.
Okay. And you actually said as of VR or so, and then it was inside the courtroom. Well,
Martinana.
Good. Married him an aide to the MP and then a research officer at the MPP or a Baragoja constituency and I'll tell you Kano. Well, I have spoken to some of the journalists are now more. I must say not a cost outside, but if you are the way I'm not going to film the minister, the husband, and all these people. And Abia, a man as I see. But Eric is also giving us another twist of the story. Who is telling us the truth and also another issue.
Even Eric here will interview me. Said the brothers, one man a big platform, and your platform Ketua. You can't say to be our each day. Say who crying so here special journalist. Enuti on fa when you photo ka. But when you have
now I have my bag sim and I could have picture me now post for us for. I'm dream pa so for the year.
Enu sorry. Enti agena adamo de be didi wampo when you anye ho. Na we yesia wo be ko for my bro so ominia. De yo ye ko de nye ni o. And if you are called to say go to them, yes, and can you content?
Yeah.
And can you police never tell police station? And you also want you to say, and from Swan Abba, and people are Cassamo, only central phone in ye. No one said, and central phone would don't uncassa the man people. And you ought to muta a war. And it's only a dear be a 1%, or baby almost a cat, baby a guy drone. You find it and my daily 7, and the 7. As soon as me individual, you two about the man penny for. To me, dear, I had to say what we are. Never than 3 to move. I'm telling the two. Now I'm just for 7 brothers are confused.
Okay, but that's it.
A minute, just a minute.
Set 2 minutes too. From Pontiwada,
one of the comfort your my politicians. The politician is never right. Asambia ya between should be and one of the people are only a privilege. Oh, my more central for. So I'm trying to further. So I see a GJ now, that the original GJ.
Yeah.
The only press conference now because I'm not following the story. Because when you say oh mother GJ nationwide.
The mother GJ is also.
Omo report ko ho
yes.
And son omo boy
yes.
Omo man the because so what tie gym asama no asamba afani afa akanfo so bia no ne sa bonku be che na jakuru na na jafie ko journalist ne be dan kan say now bisa say o film e wo court them ho me my so many TV interviews on the phone and a recording
but we there na o tie bisa beside mo jim ka say na camera tie dey
camera phone camera go
baby e bisa say phone na because courtroom no and was say baby
who bisa say I was na meet you who bisa say no of me I was abontin
baby say
I was on the camera
yes
I was saying I camera
yes
it can be a phone camera
baby clarification is
it's who why you have to say main camera
yes that's what
okay it's main camera and or no film or film abontin
according to Jim on say Jim said no inside
you see
but from the journalist and was also
outside it's a no nko and also on your friend say minister or problem that
you don't know
sometimes I be say I na nko
Catherine is also somebody because that woman no the media relations there well
let's not make the politician the beer because a boss say no who said okay na your ban near no me no casting when there is a crime near target to political colors near giant crime no near the politics most of our country na MPP during the era of NDC stand up a friend say flat Jubilee House stand up with Obi said the camera tiatia so o tiatia camera ni so I said ya aje akara o e bi ani o so ma no ya for no ni na o tiatia so asem stand up here bi o man do we need to go on this tangent journalist na can answer the bodyguard and I said the spokesperson for bodyguard is say why spokesperson for the bodyguard here attached to the minister on also a different version you ever stress in central phone more mic more camera a true baby more mic the politician and so the hearing
and the also conclude the say
maybe conclude the say o say
okay
oh say other bodies are so it's ever stress obi anjojo but I say if maybe what camera ninti and your microphone ninti I mean no nya problem yeah nipa obenya problem there dia nya problem it doesn't mean because and I'm chronicle one say cause you go assault for in line with politics like political colors you benya bebre and this for opposition here opposition here 2018 Kwasi Parker Wilson Joy FM He was assaulted by John Mama bodyguard. And no, is it an assault on the media fraternity? Any power juma, every baby I bet you it's every baby I yes, Mama, yes, sir. Okay. Young politicians, a true baby. Let's take it holistically. Yeah, that's how I into a backward now, Babetian. Right. A backward now, Babetian. A bit of I tell you, if some baby at the same time, a better polarization, not journalists, no, either say or default. And answer what you for. No offend much, so different, no offend much because there's the other political party is supporting him. It's the other say, and some trouble for some bar. I don't want to have one to my. I said some more airtime, more microphone, more camera. Everybody I don't move years, just no me a horrible.
Okay. Right, emphasis that no, we push us a issue with the crowd free him. I say NDC communication member, and how can I serve the tea the honorable minister? And a new crew, and a court. Say, defamation of good movie. The unknown court verdict, no. Now, Baswa, Jackman Baswa, I was a traffic pure. Now, I'm going to say, and some of the Siapa, and I'm small is about it. But yes, Western region, Miyamo, Acrobato, Nemo Crawford, Zamunano, Sremo, now, you know, as we and then, yes, the honorable minister, and say, also Emma Sudimra, a piano to me, pick a crack, a na asumdi entimi emra Western region na emwa we bia so a boss with casket say ene yakonya na ba ye bi na wanya na e bia ope sika ere ayi no sika no emma watwatwe emma enka na busu apani obi nwa so tuntum no na no sika ere akoya yi na etwetwe no na die boss we say unya ye say akimu a so be beto funa daka bra na hobma bi say obe han tuma bra hobma bi enkomia kwa na opa obenya bia ma o ne from bia so no benya bi dia ma na afi so no video carpet ina no di bia ma ambulance adi from batu na no o ma obi na obi yeri na ne insaba de pa ne se sika bia no wa be interest o yo ba di ya no ho kali na no no asa de aba yo ba ya ne se after 1 week celebration no ano na ba Kumasi Kumasi Amafantino town labor about ho and a gospel casket ya catch na ewo 0243 737 457 0243 737 ofra e ba do so na Africa obi oho no yetimi anybody ye ntwa ho enra ye ba the NDC that is what EC NAV NPP say intimidation ya doso on the voter registration exercise no ya komra na afi ya many details no Right, yes, I am Mapaba and from Sinupi on Kumawood TV. And next, Kwakoji watching live from Menchia North. Sami Boachi, Asaman Kesi, I thank God for the life of our president, Akufo-Addo, and bringing him back safely to his official duties. The COVID-19 is not a joke, it is real and doesn't know any rich man either the poor. Okay, and then he goes on with WAEC is beginning today. Wish all candidates best of luck. Okay, OPK Goso. Also, we thank God, visionary and competent Nana Akufo-Addo is back from self-isolation to continue his good governance and good policies. Moreover, he has performed better, and one good term indeed deserves another. Regards to Nana Kweku Menu Goso Sa Nahene. Okay. Emilia, right from Aswansi, Kumasi. Which is which? The first number or the second number? The administration is a scam. When they are exposed, they try to look for a cover. Anyway, my best wishes to all WASI candidates. If the president is back, please brief him about the increases that have taken place. And then she meant first electricity and water. I think the electricity Friday no. Emilia, Omoba today say ECG say to utilities with respect to electricity. I say regards to all social democrats. Nana Yapoma right from Kintampo. Good show this afternoon. Sir Mike, I wish my sister Naomi a J of St. Louis best of luck. Please tell the NDC man that we have grabbed his prophecy now. Okay, his prophecy. All the students will pass and will vote for Nana Addo. Okay, and also the Abba and no. Teacher Kuju, so we thank God for protecting President Nana Akufo-Addo from the deadly virus. May God give him many years to live and serve Mother Ghana. Regards to Honorable Suleiman Ademu Afano North MP. Well, Father Brother Nyamre and Kenkai into Farmer DC Elembele Honorable Bozuki doing the watching. A very good evening to you. Father, NDC, most intimidation at the saying. So far, the information is that at Mamobi in the Ayawaso North constituency, the Simbetum and Gabby Gugama, the life of the EC officials and the registrants not going to have a problem. And then Oko baby at say a Wutu Senior East constituency on our power Mrs. One. I want so a young bro and then the EC officials have to flee. Most of what they are saying, sent away there, and I'm going to share before. They didn't know issue.
When you see the Java near the Aswan, I'm going to chairman. Come, you said, Madame Roma, a Juma, Russia, and a young model Banama. Who Yamato, you never saw Madame Roma, and a man of the church in money. Until Madana's.
It's about 5 minutes. According to the time here, 18:06.
Thank you.
6:6.
Thank you. That's
good.
You know, so we can be the same thing. Sure. So how can you say something like that? Okay, Papa, be a near friend, Nana Kunsin, Chronicle. So, in the Chronicle, the MPP newspaper, yes, okay. On the net, oh, no, when Chronicle, the one name. On the net, your Western regional correspondent, and I say, did our Dark Chronicle, or a founding member of MPP. Or see the Tupar and not Danko Akufo-Addo. Now, and our only watching Nana Akufo-Addo, Eddie President, want to mean Katana 2 seconds, and not that. Nana Kunsin. Oh, my Benida Akufo catching MPP for a share. Abana won't cut to Abba Number 1, we should have been when you two training. Nipa ye betting your 24 amanafa. Or can some Sunday a brother will be as far as of interchange. I get see Monday, Anna, Papa, no, you know, Global Minister. not the attending. I know you're not for the spokesperson. Mustafa Hamid.
Okay.
So one of the Kasama and Nekufuado. Monday, I will pay a press conference at Samna on my Penida Dakar, one in a Nekufuado or per se MPP for Kotuabama Alan Cash. On my Penida Daku for Patrol Buni, ya two bois. And Jakufuado administration, a BC that's your registration, your election. Registration. Na ye pa ebi mutrim drop also. Ye put naked miensa, ye de bo wo mutim sa chi wo akoshe police and the Akufo-Addo regime. Obi eso ye human rights activist. Banda ye kum obi kwa because ye so ya nwani nti omo hwe na o ya nwani kwado o ya ndisi ni obeto aba ma ndisi ye kunu MPP MPO PC ekunu kwa MPPPC ekum na menewu enye ndisi for na ekro
o sanu ana o se MPPC
parliamentary candidates
ele kum ni fa no
enye na ye ka o ohini chief of banda ana ye press conference and the secretary in such as ya beka say enipa okum enipa smasi enie na program ti a igna so odi kun say wo so ya nwani ayi na make
wan ka so APC ni kum
open ni
ma until na say na ka say parliamentary candidate no banda no eni kum
o si MPP parliamentary candidate ogugo woni the bodyguard ogugo o mutini o po odini o yese o ka parliamentary candidate kekego ogugo ni and it's a pretty for someone penipa okum boy dia say nipa we ni na mo che wo I will born it in MPPPC. Police force here chinenye because order from above. Invisible forces na ye ka say yemu wo mo no vigilante yemu no ana na Akufo-Addo afa kwati kwanso edu mawura security services ni anu mu di wo man na wu anya nam kan yo ofa ataba antema okay what can so one on the video no was it omo treasure wo presidency wo yes security nti politically no win kwan so beto aba wo MPP colors na de yi na gusu na wo ba beto aba e wo bantema
national security operative
yes of attack the president and then the national security for na between to MPP aba and it's any power so what na polling center base e dey besie tapa senior high yi cinema accreditation say verification na your machine ba ko bia agent ba ko ana was otena ho ye wo wo problem this year ye wo wa ni nyante ye say almost wo di 16 ko tepa senior high electoral commission amaya accreditation say ye betimi di university na patena na ba ko bia betena MPP accreditation na so mo agent no already including teacher ni awo ya wo mo constituency executive ho NDC Drugetia, police officer, plus headmaster, plus military. Ejina get is NDC for ya mamu kwai net e mamu kwai china. Na nadu so aye adwuma. So why you adwuma dia? Adenti na usuru na we intimidate. But amu akonyene Bono East regional minister. But what can video ni bi? First you create by the na audio ntine ni say betu abase. Video live for all catching MPP invisible forces say security need ya wi on waduma Supreme Court yensa military no electoral commission support ye enti ba bia boye NDC stronghold bia mo basa yensi e basa ne si amoni wo mo strong na yesu ya fa woni ye aduma na ye wi na se ko basa ye to abana ha Supreme Court wa re be kwa what de kwa at now this regional minister te wo ye frɛ no so for some of the IS or not the working press and media minimum motion and for some of the court and selective justice and the Akufo-Addo regime are personal 2027 December na Yakopo be Ghana for Addo na ye be yi e mo frin kwaso ye Akufo-Addo do ma ya ko mo no ase o ma yi according to abedie na ya to abade Akufo-Addo because of the bad governance
the corona time on me busa say in 2016 NPP now complaining seriously. The police are not in our favor, the EC, and everybody is not in our favor. 10 of events, we are in 2020. The NDC also opposition so complaining. And they are trying to question, oh, bra, if you are Ben. One of them says, Intimidation.
Anka pese e kojo some agent jobs in the show na.
And that's what my fan can't topic now.
Like generally, every political party, proud to election, you will July more ever contest. Proud to election.
Only one kind of time, no more at you point.
The same okay, it is 6:13.
Thank you.
And it will be a 6:12 instead of the 6:11. Okay, my mama also that's 6 minutes.
So I said, no, make as I'm paid, I'm 1 minute to become myself.
Good.
Getting to election, this time, also all your research to know your feet. I will abandon your baggage.
Okay.
And this form of faith, and almost share a dunya dime. Your cock to about your 7th month. One catch a gunner for a dear number bay. Oh, can be
On TV.
oh, dear no matter.
But now I'm coming up with
Or sit there,
more for now, more every number in chat.
and I did,
One tier no.
and I did. Oh, can be tried, oh, can be sounds what it can be tried, the what any.
One tier allow I'm some of them.
On my mind, on my maintaining. I didn't know about maintaining. Jifia na paint says you want it me.
One tier uncompleted hospitals are some completed.
Uncompleted. The addition was almost called irrogate from a penny for Cogis capital or some offense hospital. Almost missing. Only to me, a 7 year man 4 years never complete. Time I want you to obey Jinami at Abamano crap. Who are you, man? Now, Fiawa maybe. Oh, yes, Abana Evan, almost so well losing massively. And I'm Shadana. Yes, I say you want, yes, I say registration. I say, okay. This morning, now I was listening to one of us, national rep, Akoya said, exactly. You be said, initially, Museum am to accreditation. Moko na people for say no. Mutu na di kan every before 2 or 4. It's 2 parts no be out 2 or 4. Mo say, teacher near or mo he na or MPP ni. It's yan fa bi meka mo. What money say 2 nipa 2 agents 2
na machine 16. Now, Mokoma agent 22. How can they monitor the 16 machines? Oh, bro, who outside that? They be on one machine to an agent.
Samai. Some follow process. Some say, "Oh, you say me follow process." Me agent. Me follow process. So, see, Jaisa, Koka, now you say, you now you better as citizens of the nation, near registration, and registration can agent.
Okay, by agent, for now, no, is agent because
agent, you know, according to EC manual, agent, we observe up to the process. Okay, machine year 16. Part where 2, who or 2. What's made the main task? Say me 2.
Because EC and cancer was an agent to a machine. And that's the police station.
So where from the intimidation? Where from the intimidation?
So more than complaining, they have right to complain. And I'm only right.
They should not say intimidate you. Why they intimidate you?
The intimidation is coming from the Ayawaso and then that of the Mamobi.
Mamobi, I want to say, what call yes, why they call intimidating one? I want to say, and to say, Mike, I'm telling you. Make a swam your relative or make a swapper, can swam to one, and yet, land guards, and over right to politics, or want to cause sense. We should stop cheap politics, no. And this is what should tell Ghanaians, the Omba of Ghana, no one, and I am trotting, and you're trotting, and I see Riani, and will be one and almost area say, so in the Santa region, what they are so Japan. Areas where I am.
Omo just to Masi. Omo abo such a family. Somebody has sold for.
I saw that for any year.
I saw from boy.
Obia was what training there, so they need a city quite so management.
I know where they are.
Say,
Senior.
Obia, that is my point. Obia was what training there, so they need to say, we are this in my own trody. I didn't know who said that for center one. Before so, but that is for who sent. So that was center part. No, we are not sure.
But equally, I don't know so that for the mask.
Oh, patrol. Oh, so that for patrol the whole region.
Okay.
And your country Ghana say this is what we will do. This exercise I me my follow registration, my follow EC processes. This is one of the best electoral registration I ever saw. Okay. And you see, you attend to the fact. And I'm sure, say Mike, if you are a political watcher, registration is the election. Registration is the election, and they have seen the registration. They have seen the registration. Manipulation are not much and now to me, we are giving them a fair register. That's what they are afraid of. We will give them a fair register. Okay. Ghanaians will vote. West Africa register. They Ghanaian register, and Ghanaians will vote, and they will see their level.
Let us say Isaiah Man from Isaiah Man Ventures, Chrono the market. I thank God that President Akufo-Addo has resumed work. I think more interest for Evanado. Nejuma was I wish all WASI candidates the best of luck in these exams. Okay. No, they are and no. I be on my tune. Now, wait me, our friend. Yeah, be on 0200 603 602. Was it please tell the NDC man? This is what the leader said about John Dramani Mahama. The presidency is not for people who want to correct their mistakes. Said by Sly Mensah. Whatever you do can't win with Mahama in 2020. Babin. Don't vote for someone who was defeated massively in 2016. Spew. Okay, and also, this is not happening here. Over.
Yana said, and MPP must walk a set me a room, no Casa we are seeing over here. I am in one. Okay. Baby, I was saying NDC, they were doing that. A given a bit about my young one said, Tepa, wouldn't say sexy the other loose won't. Would the police need soldier big Gina say a mouth quite well? Midasi, I say, now who can be said? Moya Mammy, but there was no complaining. Bulu East regional minister Nakatre and said, Easy officials name I am before, and to Mama agent to cry out constant our money program. Right.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good.
Very well. That's okay. Of our company shop, now, other friend, now, that could make an essay. Oh, share if you are no more papa. My first year of the this is when one NDC supporters will be on except we trust them and pick for the call. The 7 year can say, as a part, you're the soldier call. When she has asked her, you're the soldier call. Bien kila sebi ba bien disi for dom kaka wono na bibia ko ho se dem ko le ho basa basa na gire wo am tiape the no for buy Ghana no do Ghana no the bio mu contract Ghana for and na sebi o mo na ban ye tiam ko for ka first plan ye ko mo ka no ye bledum na ko bi se so wan ye tian ka na so mo ka no contract Ghana for na Ghana for 2020 no
ya na asi hello good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
A very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
What did I have free and chill?
Na tise me kasa fi kumasi bo on am want to say.
Adom, ya ho yepa.
Ke da nyame ase. Ya pese bisa se ye remind this for ankata dey na how. So we see los no mo se abano ye beto mo lose. 2016 what ya kunya so. Obi etimi di opposition party abetu mo akotranche. Moya near Matoroka, Tantan, after which yes, about another 4 years. 4 years in the budget by near me. If you know, they are quite a tribute to Wakiki. If you wait, papa, in the position man of it may agent. Among the big 9 show man, big show man in Payan, we ended it. One country, yes, one monk of register, or one cousin go register, or more to Abba, Semana to be dear for Yan. Yes, I'm a monk country of no monk of the things. I want what 1 pound. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Panika Zeramapum to say.
I don't know here, where you're party, you're free.
With your mom, Kofi and DC.
Bravo, you mean you?
Panika Zemanifa, when you win, Chiana Bosa, let me cheer many hours, Papa. It's Monday, Bunny. Now, Papani. yamana MPP for tiasie se to kwasam na ye ka e wo ba to re bi so mu di send no ni nipa wo asam ye me ja pa wo man ni Peter Council what you say because bra excellency John Dramani Mahama eto so no ni Peter Council se ma no mo ka na MPP so di ko le so na le di ti ka ye ne tututu ne mbabo ni Peter ma for Peter Council o wa ko wo fu wo ye di o man no Bria, I am Hutam. What I said, by MPP for all movement to say a Kunyana horrible. And MPP for one make no Kunyana forever. What I said, and let a young a killer to the NDC. No more, a new one more. Or what we do and penny will be a woman or more so yet because of political career, you know.
Okay. Hello, good evening. Mount Tiber, good evening. Hello? Hello, good evening. Okay, Munyin Freso. Anybody Delphi? If you just a very good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Sir Mike.
We need our free.
Macassar Free Cape Coast from a Bible doctor. Sir Mike.
Bible means you.
And this is who the reason why we're within. Now, people say, I wanted to talk for us, no, to tune it to Tupa, no, worry about one. So, we'll catch you within the Sweden, or maybe we'll show within the Gauss wall. Let's say, MPP, you know, NBC, you know, we'll catch you within, or you didn't see that Miss Wush, yes, or many ma. And then, Chicata, okay, there is the show, what bet you we. Civil war, before many ma, it's what catch the trophy war, many ma, only NBC. Yet, so many ma, and do that what you. Ọmọ pẹ̀yìn pa àmọ́ ọdún ọmọ nílùú ọ̀yẹ́ NDC wọ́n ní mọ̀ pẹ̀yìn ọdún ọmọ nílùú àti ẹ̀kọ́mà ọ̀yẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní àmọ́ pẹ̀yìn ọ̀kẹ́ ǹdẹ́ abátúndé yẹ kọ̀kọ́ tó lè yí àbú ọmọ ní ma ọmọ ní ọ̀bẹ́dẹ̀ civil war yẹtọ̀ ọmọ ní ma ó àpáyé tẹ́ ǹdẹ́.
Báwo yẹn náà sì hello good evening.
Good evening.
Òní ẹ̀mí afẹ́rẹ́ fẹ́ musa.
Pàtó mi dín dín solo mi kàkà fún bíbí ẹni.
Sọlá yẹn fún bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹni wá yẹn tí o.
Mpacho the friend say a registration there no after baby a registration so ba wa send of what they are so we other parties now kwa they are registration and the way it's here no 2 months but the winning person now kwa after the British in be a customer you see there aban until better the partner man the customer there better aban ya ne da kwa continue matter what Yombe Biano, the Namiatron on watch, inshallah.
Yes, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, I'm free.
I'm from your family. Could you consider? That's how it is.
A goofy, ain't you?
Many opinion of you make sure. Let me share many entities, many entities, but like a song command and I don't go to the number. When you are using the kindness of 4 years in that year, then is 4 years in because some day, oh, my God, I'm register. A kite, Manabona, I say, some register, only over to register, how long to kiss it from your dad. And then you know what name is what out. Because the number day, I'm one baby, I won't get it down for. No, 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 Finally, what's my day? Oh, my God, I'm not sure. How many people on the banana? I got so much now, one lesson. Oh, one message, community. Then it was community. Come on, let's look at that. I'm looking around the mess. Well, I know something about that.
Okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free.
Semi Congress in your interest and agree.
I never meet you.
Semi and agree, Mamma of Fata. Na me mbɔ naba so paa wɔ dwumadi a ɔbɔ ma santemane Ghana man na menkyɛ Professor Jenna na Ofuku Agyeman incoming vice president ɔbɛ 2021 wɔfa na ɔmo sɛ MPP phone de ka meka kyerɛ ɔmampani Akufo-Addo sɛ papa no will lose credibility papa no onim di akɔyɛ sisi a ɔmampani Akufo-Addo ɔkya kɔyɛ sisi a na wɔmɛtɛ ayɛ sɛ wɔdi fufuo na fufuo no ahyɛ ne so saa na nka na akɔkɔ wie papa wo ya omo ka kyerɛ sɛ Kofi Kumsi ka kyerɛ sɛ papa wo ya to abama na yɛ fɛ ne na ontumi na ne kusu so aso na ne ekoso hwe hawo kubiti dia oye no wakasoa e cho professor o magbene kufado o wo we wuso o lusu abano itaka kabisam na tutusam ena the party for ye
Hello, good evening. Tell me about your mother.
I don't know if I
So my politics now this is funny and you're right. If you know more than Japan at yourself, if you know Nanado and Kurafon Kwan extra. Then you know the train, you know, MPP and this. I didn't know Kwan extra. No, I buy not one man, this is not a two. I need to be able to crown Shalom. But I don't know my
hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. If I don't bring it, we're not calling in Qatar.
Good evening, free.
You're difficulty.
Yes, you.
What's here? Okay.
Okay, I think you're in any. Hello, good evening. Good evening, free.
If I say we don't put that as well.
I yes, you need free.
Because actually.
Barakasi, yes, you.
But I think we can one hour. You try your prayer. School for is fair politics. And then we are about Wagana. So free. Airport school, Yakoba.
Okay. Right, when you ask now, in fact, I cherish my viewers. And they belong to me a program afraid. I want me on friend now. Now, subsequent programs, we wish will be to me every now. So, watch your views, your thoughts, your comment. And so, at the we a Sinupi on Kumawood TV in Yamre now to me as in Sinupi. Now, one making informed decision. December 7th, about Okotwa. Transidi, Najuni Yepa, San Wato, moving down. And your fatans of Becano, and I say, Asari and Nemu, one Casabino Mopai, and I could take that decision. Moise about sent a zebra, a chair, and a hawo. And I said, Mr. Kurubu, Mofrano, or Nipa, Bawa, 70 years, not as you saw, a ferry. Emmanuel, Munkushi, I was a Munyaka. And I said, in soon quite an asaba, in Tiawana, Ayeti, and a mobile no yere, Emmanuel, one in the Baba. So, and a knee, and a Abia, a sweet BCBC, who said 1 year, or Sibra, Coco, and a air Hawa, in a Mohis, Elite Miabo, Kumasi, Otium, Anomaso, Domiabra, a hope and a walk. Well, friend, 0249 616937 0249 616937. Now Mohis to me I tell so. But I have the program just a minute. The
program is NDC when you papa the map on my gun.
Okay.
And can you answer my yeah bida. Uno kasa was saying who intimidate me, who pram, who kum nipa. What as you say, only message inti. And to say any message I want to go to Nimukota. And I can't say, yeah, man, near me try to Ghana for. The year can't Ghana and say, this time I will say a coffer, Jane, any John Domini, my member. No better Ghana for free and many amenity. You can't share your photo, your bar, fertilizer, your best idea, mom free. You can't say your bar, cocoa, I think I told Coco. I will buy 4 good years, Muna Yekwe. Coco, I've got 2 back, compare and the America for. Now, when they are 4 children, we are. What does it mean? Just school fees around. I don't know money in the obedience. You don't want to mention them. And there's a bouncer, I'm going in NDCC, yeah, bar, or Pia, Biasica, because on my asset doesn't good.
Right.
Mint you.
Your best Ghana phone, what would you feel doing? What do you need that home? The electoral commissioner is ready. Coco Trewdy, 7 December draft, Coco Trewadi. Share and your mapa and now go for the buy away or buy what it's electricity so or buy a free senior high school or the I'm afraid go school move from one to see from pre-registration be our jam free. Our form is up back I say I buy way near buying about 2 hour for car. I suppose me and said their school fees are buying family are child. No what the back SS not the school fees naturally. You buy na am school at fee.
Okay.
You not go buy more friendly your juma ye. You buy a for yet fertilizer near see free, but no moon ye. I buy okay, meton no at table so said you be our choir be a bit near to be a to be. Into one heard my pan now the bank of for I just so. Now almost sin should be. Now round 2 no. Man and now the bank of for not 4 more for Nana, 4 more for him to do more for you.
Okay. Right, 4 more to do more for you. But that's all bad. But largest national, almost beside the Barbara Muntiari. But the news coming in, I say, infected COVID-19 students at Porter and Antaman SHS discharged to write WASI. Well, maybe what's I remember.
So my senior high, I'm for 45.
I'm better than I say, quarantine center and I'm listening to the boom no trade. It's another issue we will discuss tomorrow, God willing. Within the Michael Nana Admakomote of ATA communication team member for the NDC Ashanti region, and then as well as communication officer for the NPP regional communication team member. Asara Mote better that producer, executive producer, Samuel Kwabena PM Ochinoso, the only one, TPO, copy from, so MCR, VTR, Loretta Kumoti, and Augustina and Son. Meaning, Michael, Nana Admakon, director, Samuel Kwabena Dakon, aka Samdakus, Abrantia Mofa, Namiesha Mono, that is shown it's me, and Namia Tom, not to me, 4:30. Ever since here, now you see the yeah, crowd.